Right, I'm going to have to do this one static because I can't concentrate on the video and finding the place I'm going to, which is kind of highlighting this part of the job which is difficult sometimes. So the first thing I want to highlight that I've noticed that is a struggle is finding the right location, and I'll tell you why that is in particular. There's two reasons. First reason is technical. It's that the app that I'm using only uses Google Maps, and so it doesn't always give you a very precise location about where you're going, and it just gives you the road and then you've got to find where you've got to go from there. But the second reason is something that's very, very easy to sort out, and that's not your knowledge of the area. So I haven't done this for a while now, this area, and I know that when I did it before, if you're in the same area for a while, or you know where you're delivering because you live there, and have lived there for many years, then actually finding the location is really easy. Today I'm kind of trying to remember stuff. I had the first two were residential addresses, the next three were commercial addresses, and the commercial ones have been easy to find because I could do a Google Maps search of the name of the company. But my third stop was actually a service station, and the Google Maps took me to the middle of a road which was nowhere near a service station, and there was two possible service areas on that road. I guessed in the end the correct one to go to, but the thing is that next time I have the delivery, I'll know exactly where I'm going to. So that third delivery would have taken me about 10 minutes to find and get there, and usually once you know where you're going, it's really easy. When you get to residential addresses, it's really easy when you know an area, because you don't even need the maps, you just know which road is next, where the next road is. So actually it is easy to learn the location of where you're going. For example, in residential addresses, you tend to get to know which side of the road is even and odd, where the sort of teens are, where the hundreds are. So if you're finding, let's say you're finding number 34, a Cracia Crescent, you know where a Cracia Crescent is, you just go there without the maps, and you know exactly before you get on the road where the 34 is located, because you've been there before. But the first time you do a route, you don't know any of these things, and particularly if you're new to an area or new to the job in itself. So I've had to stop for a bit because I think it's an important point to make, but finding places gets quicker the more you do it, and it does become kind of a non-issue. But when you start doing the job, it is a significant problem.